What the heck? Okay, so yeah, I took a nap. I showed Nikki how to make a fire. And now we're cooking dinner. My favorite. You know me, I did a review on it back in the winter time. Yep, you don't have to drain it. You're not wasting water. You use half the water of what you would normally use for pasta. Only takes 3 cups for the whole box. And I love it because, you know, I hate when you cook pasta and then you have to drain all the water off, and then you have to use 6 cups, and then you have to, dump all that water. So I just always thought that was a waste of good water. So I have my spaghetti cooking, and I will check back in just a few minutes. So I forgot to hit the record button during the cooking process, so I just let all the water cook down, add my sauce, and it's bon appetit. And got some tomatoes to go with it too. Looky there, yay! Oh, time to cook the dinner. And Mimi's doing s'mores. She's toasting her marshmallows. She likes them all nice and crispy.
That's the best way.
So we have some cheddar brats and some spiced up ground beef. So that's dinner, and had spaghetti. I made spaghetti earlier. So we're eating good. Alright, so I'm gonna get to cooking. Watch me toast marshmallows. What the heck? Okay, here we go. We're gonna do a random number picker since my daughter's here and she has her phone. That way we've got 2, since you all know I don't have a computer or laptop. And here's all the entries. I'll go slow so you can get your number. This was all US and Canada. And I apologize, my handwriting is sloppy. So we had 26 entries. So hang on and we'll go to random.org.
I've got it up.
Go 0 through 26.
by myself. She was only 6 years old. We had so many memories.
So we got an unboxing to do, and this is from the Bearded CB, Brandon. So hang on, and Mimi's gonna unbox. So we got a mail call. Bearded CB, Brandon sent this. All right, have at it, Mimi. Ooh, for me? Yay. We'll put it on. Oh, well, I was going to let you put it on. Bisgear. Woo. We can use that, can't we? It's a hammock. Yay. Sadly, this camping trip, none of the trees were close enough together. However, right here, if we would have had this spot, that right there would have been perfect. Yeah, but our trees were like way too far apart. Hang on. Okay. Good.
Yeah, yep, that's it.
No letter goodness?
Nope.
Alright. So if y'all don't know the Bearded CB, I will have links down below. I have a link for Rick over at Tag Hill, who gave me my mossy oak. I'll have a link to Jimmy Slash, who gave me the other mossy hook with the good hook, so that Nikki and I both had mossy oaks to use for doing our feather sticking. And she's quite the little expert now. She wants to take her friends camping. She wants to do more camping. She's got the bug. She's got the bug. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What about last night?
I enjoyed last night. I thought last night was a hoot.
What happened?
So a pack of coyotes decided to start a howl fest outside our tent twice. And then some little bandits came out and tried
As
to
soon as we got in our tent, these little bandits, and I had just laid down and I was so exhausted, and I'm like, what do I hear? Is that my car? What do I hear? And I shine the flashlight and see these two beady little eyes digging in the trash. And I had just hung the trash up.
Then the trunk popped open.
And then my trunk popped open. Yeah, that was kind of odd. So maybe because of me getting hit in the back, it wasn't shut properly. But those coyote.
That was cool. I love that.
Yeah.
They were so cool to hear.
Yeah, it was loud. Oh my gosh, that was so loud. It was like scary. And they were down in the ravine. So I'm sure they weren't as close as they sounded, but holy cow, they must have did. And I didn't think to grab the camera until right there at the very end, so I'll have to review all the footage of video that I took and see if we got any of that from last night. I got the end where they were really quiet. So yeah, if I got it, I'll put it in the end of the video here. And we had a great time. We ate really good, didn't we?
Yeah.
We ate good. Deer brats and cheddar brats and hamburgers, and that sauce was really good.
S'mores.
Apple of s'mores, and I had spaghetti, and yeah, we ate good. And I had eggs and bacon and potatoes for breakfast with my coffee. So there was not much to roughen it on this trip, but it was fun. I want to do a winter camp. I would love to do a winter camp. Or right at the edge of fall into winter. Okay, so I'm out of here. And do a random act of kindness for a stranger. Remember our boys and girls deployed around the world who can't be home. As always, you know it. Think of it. Hey y'all, native tears. Okay, so this is the end of the adventure. And we packed camp up, drinking coffee, cleaning up as the leave no trace. And I guess Mimi had a good time. She hasn't been camping since her little Girl Scout days, so yeah. Now she has the bug. She wants to get her friends together.